What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while, been extremely busy, been doing a lot of things, but in today's video I'm actually going to attempt to get the EG hatch started. So anybody that's new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. You can stay updated with the build. Tap that notification button. If you like the videos, give it a like. It'll definitely help me out. But yeah, today we're going to see if we get this hatch started, so let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so just a quick update. I finally got the correct bracket I need for my throttle cable. You guys can see it right there. Got my ground wires all put on. Got my other ground wire over here. This guy, I don't know if you guys can see that. It just goes over here to the chassis. Yep, right over there. Yeah, everything is pretty much all done and set. All the main parts are pretty much all done, so we can actually get this car started. There's oil in the car already. I got transmission fluid in the car already. I don't have coolant just yet. I do have some, but I just wanted to crank the car over first, see if I can get her to idle, and then I'll start putting in coolant and all that stuff and try to bleed out the system and then check for any leaks. So let's just make our way over to inside the car. Got my little jump pack right here because battery is definitely dead. All right, and just don't mind the mess. Once the car is fully done, everything will be nice and clean. But this is where my battery is. Got my ground right here, and it goes to the chassis right there. And then my power wire, I just have a hole on the firewall, put a rubber grommet that goes through the firewall into the fuse box. And I did install a push start on the car. This wasn't my old coupe, but I just transferred it over to the bubble, and I have all the wiring for all that stuff straight to the starter. So yeah, I'm gonna put my battery pack on this guy, and let's see if this car will turn on. All right guys, so right from the get, turn the key and the fuel pump is not kicking on. I mean, you can see there's power going to the car. I tried cranking the starter just to see if the starter would turn over, and it's not doing anything. So I got a few clicks out of it. I started hitting it and I got a few clicks out of it. So maybe the starter itself is going bad, but got to figure out this issue why the fuel pump's not kicking on. I'm gonna go check the main relay. I have an extra relay. I know those are usually common issues on this car, but let's take a look and see if I can take the old relay out and possibly swap it over. Now the relay's usually right back here, and okay, one second. Okay, so I was looking for the relay under the car, and there is no relay under there at all. This is my old relay from my old coupe, but I don't even see the plug, the harness, or nothing under there. So I'm gonna have to dig under there. I'm hoping the previous owner did not take the harness. I mean, it'd be kind of crazy. Luckily, I do have a body harness in there, which I could just cut the plug off and wired it up. But yeah, that's just going to be real time consuming. So let me actually go under there and try to see if I can find the plug for this relay. All right guys, so there's no relay under there at all, which is kind of crazy. But I'm gonna have to figure this out. I'm gonna have to try to do some homework. If any of you guys have any input or insight, definitely let me know. I'm gonna get a new starter as well. I'm gonna see if by replacing the starter, if I'll get it to crank. I mean, that starter's been sitting for probably 2-3 years, so it's probably bad. And then we'll figure out that issue, but do some research on my end, and we'll see how it goes. But I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, and as always, keep on watching.